मी पहिल्यांदा रत्नाकरला भेटलो गोव्याला. पणजी बस स्टँडच्या समोर उभा होतो. आय हॅड कॉल्ड हिम अप. ही सेड आय विल पिक यू अप फ्रॉम देअर. ओके. नाउ दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट नेवल कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट ही वॉज बिडिंग फॉर. ही हॅड नेवर डेल्ट विथ द नेव्ही बिफोर. आणि आपण ऐकलेलं असतं बरंच काय की गव्हर्नमेंट कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट असं होतं तसं होतं हे वगैरे. सो we got into the car and we were driving towards his yard. And now we both gauging each other because I didn't know him from Adam. I पहिल्यांदाच ऐकलो. So oh, after a while I said, look Ratnakar, I will make things very clear. This boat means my life. It does not matter to me, whatever you may have heard about in the papers and about the Navy. It doesn't work like that always. I said, here is the deal. I come back alive with this boat. I'll be a brand ambassador for life, free. I don't come back alive. Before going, I'll make sure that if I don't come back alive, you will never ever build a boat in your life. That's the deal, I said. Period. So he just smiled at me. He said, don't worry. We'll build a good boat. You'll come back alive. And that's it. So we started working together. And dhire dhire we developed confidence in each other. And it was mutual. He gave me a good boat. At the same time, we made sure that he got his due. His payments were not stopped anywhere. If they were stopped, we fought tooth and nail with the bureaucracy to make sure that he got them, and so on. So, because right in the beginning, when I was sort of planning the project, I realized that the boat builder has to be an integral part of the team. Because if that doesn't happen, you're not going to get a good boat and you're not going to get good service. So then, actually speaking, today the core team is just me, Ratnakar, and Admiral Auti as the godfather. That is the core team of the group. Things which went wrong in my trip, never repeated them in history. Well, almost everything went wrong in my thing. The steering gear broke, the autopilots broke, because the boat was very new. She had not been tested. Any machinery needs time to settle down. We didn't get time for that. February boat बनली. I mean, आम्ही अजून लावतच होतो सगळे equipment. Till the day I left, we are still fitting our equipment on the boat. And I sailed out in August. So all those things, so we kept learning on that actually. So that's why now whoever takes it आता इथून कोचीनला जायला plan to take it next week. We're pretty confident ठीक आहे जाईल ती. आता असं होतं की if you are caught in a difficult situation, you can always tell yourself, "Well, you've gone around the world, what are you worried about this small thing?" That confidence is developed definitely. As to Andhashraddhalu व्हायचं, I don't think so. No. Yeah, sailors do have a lot of superstitions, but then so do people on land have, I think. And yeah, it's a different life, but it's not too different. नाही अजिबात नाही. They're very happy. They're all content. They live their life. See, in my case, my mother stays with me, and she's been very, very supportive right from the beginning. I mean, the first time I told her, she said, "Yeah, just go ahead. Wonderful opportunity." So I tried to test her a little further. I said, "The good chance that I may not come back alive from this. You got to go someday, na? At least go do something and go So that was it. He needed a bit of convincing, I think. He'll tell you.
Yeah, I needed to convince my mother, who was like, no way you're going to do this voyage. First, she came to know that I'm going to Brazil. That was supposed to be the training voyage. And one day she was crying and howling on the phone. And she is scared of water. It's not any other reason. She's scared of water. Crying and howling. And for whatever reason, it slipped out of my mouth that I'll have 3 more people. And she's like, oh, there will be 3 more people with you when you go to Brazil. I said, yes. So she's like, okay, but nothing after that. ठीक है. ब्राज़ील पहुंचा तो I told mom I'm coming back. एक बंदा है साथ में. Okay. Then when I reached Cape Town, Commander Donde was coming from Bombay. So I told my mom, I think I need some stuff from home and all, and can you send me some lungi and banana chips to get her involved in it? And she's like, okay. He said, I'm coming back alone. Then she's like, ठीक है. After this, no sailing. Then last year we went to Malaysia and Thailand and we had a stop in Cochin, and just about every newspaper, every media, they came, reported, and she was a bit happy, you know. For that she said, after this, nothing. Then non-stop happened, and I was like, yeah. Then I realized one of her biggest worries was that I will not talk to her every day. So I said I'll figure out something. And she said, नहीं तू घर नहीं आएगा. I said कहाँ आता हूँ ऐसे 6 महीने में एक बार आता हूँ ना. So this I'll go 5 months and I come back home. She's like, okay, convinced. And finally when I left, the day I left, which was Thursday, there was a hymn which meant something like I'll protect you in every storm. That was playing on the radio in the morning. And that gave her a lot of confidence. So throughout this voyage, she was pretty okay.